Welcome to Autism Mathematics. I am on the series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics. Block 5, linear inequality in one variable. I just finished videos on linear equation with its application. Linear equation and linear inequality are almost the same, except that in linear inequality, we replace the equal sign in linear equation by the inequality symbols. So that is the only difference. But the method of solving the linear inequality and linear equation, they are always the same. If it is fraction, first we have to clear the fraction by multiplying through the LCM. If it involves bracket, you need to open the bracket, and so on and so forth. So the methods are the same, just that we use inequality symbols. So first of all, let's look at the inequality symbols that we have. So the first one is this symbol, which is strictly less than. In short, we say less than. And then this symbol here is greater than or strictly greater than. This is less than or equal to, and then this one greater than or equal to. Before we come to solving of linear inequality, let's look at how to represent inequalities on a number line. Most of the time, you may be asked to represent the inequality on a number line. So we need to know how to do it first. Okay, let's look at. So representing inequalities on a number line. So the first one, s is less than 2. So you draw your number line. This is my number line. And then I divide it. So this is 0. So minus 1, 1, 2. So if you want to represent this, this is 2. So you draw a circle there on 2. And we are saying that all these numbers are less than. So you point an arrow to the left hand side, the number. So this is how you represent x is less than on a number line. Let's look at x is greater than. So when it is less than, it means that all the numbers below are strictly less than. So the circle here is unshaded. We point the arrow to the left hand side. Let's look at the next one. X is greater than negative 1. So let's draw a number line. So for number line 0, we have 1, we have negative 1. So x, so this is negative 1. You draw your circle, and then we are saying that numbers that are greater than negative 1. So if you look at on the right hand side of negative 1, all these numbers are greater than negative 1. So you draw an arrow pointing to this side. So all the numbers on the right hand side are greater than the number. So in simple terms, anytime you have less than, then you check all the numbers on the left side of the number will be less than. And when it is greater than, all the numbers on the right hand side are greater than that number. So let's look at other example. So x is less or equal to half. A student find it difficult in representing fractions on a number line. Now you don't have to complicate it when it comes to representing inequality on a number line. Now it's just only one number, 1/3. So there are several ways, but the simple one is you demarcate the center. On the left hand side, this is minus 1 on 3. Then the right hand side, 1 on 3. So as I've already said, if it is less than, it means that all the numbers on the left hand side are smaller than the number that you are considering. So 1/3, you draw your 0. This time, because it is less or equal to, you have to shade it. So, and then the arrow will be pointing to the left side. So this is how we represent this fraction. Let's look at another one. X is greater or equal to 2 on 11. Draw your number line. So 0 minus 2 on 11, and this one 2 on 11 is greater than 2 on 11. So this is 2 on 11, and because it's greater or equal to, you shade it. Then the arrow, yes, so the arrow will be pointing to the right hand side. Okay, let's look at other examples. Double inequality. How do we represent double inequality on a number line? Now remember, if it is less or equal to wherever it is, you have to shade it, or greater or equal to, you have to shade it. Here the first one, minus 1 less than x less than 3. So let's see, draw your line. Okay, so this is 0. You can minus 1 minus 2, we have 1 2 3. So this is minus 1, you draw your circle, and then this is 3, you draw another circle here. So because they are strictly less than, you just join. Let's look at the last one, 3 less or equal to x less than 4. You draw your line. So you shade the left inequality, shade this one, yes, shade this one. Okay, so this is how we represent this on a number line. We'll be doing more of this when we begin to solve the inequality. Thank you very much, viewers. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button. God bless you.